Royal Caribbean's new private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay, has just opened up. Here's our first looks at this island destination. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tyler Show, and in today's video is our first looks at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. So with that said, here's our first looks at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. One of the biggest features added was the pool. Oasis Lagoon Pool is the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean and features a swim-up bar and more. So added was Up and Away Helium Balloon. This is a perfect way to go see the surrounding islands in your ship. Also opened up is Thrill Water Park featuring Daredevil's Peak. Also opened up is Splash Summit at Thrill Water Park. Also on this island, there is Splashaway Bay. This is the largest one Royal Caribbean ever made to date. If you plan to head to Coco Cay, you can go on the weekend with the all-new amped-up Mariner of the Seas sailing from Port Canaveral and its sister ship Navigator of the Seas sailing from Port Miami. So that is our first look at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. We're coming out with a full look at all the upgrades on the island pretty soon, so make sure you hit the notifications bell for that. And guys, if you gotta let me know, we're doing a group cruise, Navigator of the Seas, October 28th, 2019, out of Miami, stopping here at Perfect Day, so please book that now before all the cabins sell out. Alrighty, that is it for this video. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I am Tyler, and you're watching The Tyler Show.